Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to delete Node Modules folder in VS Code. As you can see, I got a very basic Node.js application here, and this is the Node Modules folder. To delete this folder, you need to use a package called npkill. Let me show it to you. So this is a package that we are going to use. If you scroll a bit, you will find this usage section, and we need this command. Let me copy it. Now in the VS Code, to run that command, you have to open the terminal. Simply go to View, click on Terminal. Let me paste the command here and hit the Enter key. Now here it is clearly written cursor for select and space to delete. Now to delete it, I have to press the space key on my keyboard. Let me press it. So you can see it is gone. Now to exit, simply press Ctrl plus C key on your keyboard. And we are done. So that's how you can delete a Node Modules folder in VS Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.